Using Engineering Data Manager, you can import tags in bulk using an Excel spreadsheet. The spreadsheet must be formatted with certain columns that are populated with certain information. We will populate the name, description, and class name for the Area tab. We will also do the same for name, description, and class name for the Unit tab. You can populate others, like equipment tags or pipe network system tags. Once the spreadsheet is populated, you can choose the bulk tag creation icon and drag your spreadsheet into the dialog. All of the added tags and relations will be imported. At this point, they are in an unsaved state, and you would choose the Save icon to commit the changes to Plan Site. Once the data has been saved to Plant Site, the tags and relationships can be browsed to from Open Plant PID and Open Plant Modeler.